All right, boys and girls, we are going to write some sentences with all the skills that we've been working on. Soft C, soft G, lots of long vowel, and adding a suffix to a word. So our first word we're going to do today is he found a peaceful place to sleep. Let's count that. He found a peaceful place to sleep. That is 7 words. All right, so let's start with our first word with a capital letter. All sentences start with a capital letter. He, H-E, he, found. Found is a sight word. Let's spell it together. F-O-U-N-D, found. He found a peaceful. We know how to spell A. Peaceful has the E-A long vowel in it. And let's do it word by each syllable. Peace plus full. So our first word is peace. P-E, and we know C-E says the S sound. Peace plus full. Remember, full means lots of. So that means it was lots of peace. He found a peaceful place. Let's say the sounds. Place. This word has a magic E that makes the A long. And then we're going to use our CE to make the S sound. He found a peaceful place to, T-O, sleep. Let's say the sounds in sleep. S-E-P, sleep. We know the blend soul. And in this word, the E is spelled E-E. Sleep. Sleep. All right, so let's see if we have our 7 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So make sure we have a capital letter and a punctuation. You're telling me something. And then we're going to go back and read it to make sure it makes sense. He found a peaceful place to sleep. All right, next sentence. I am going to say it and then we'll count it together. These clean new sheets are spotless. Let's count that. These clean new sheets are spotless. That is 6 words. Okay, before we start that sentence, I want you to put a square in this house right here, like this, and then color it in. All right, can you do that? Go ahead and do that right now before we write the sentence. That way I know that you were listening. These clean new sheets are spotless. These is a sight word, but it's also something we can now sound out since we know Magic E makes the E long. These clean, let's say the sounds. Clean. In this word, we're going to use EA for the long E sound. Clean. These clean new sheets. New is a sight word. N-E-W. Sheets. Let's say the sounds. Eat plus S. Sheets. E. We're going to use E for the long E sound. Eat plus S. Sheets. These clean new sheets are spotless. R is a sight word, A-R-E, spotless. That is spot plus less. So our first word is spot. Let's say those sounds. Spot. Then we're going to add the suffix less. So this means without. So the suffix less means without. So if something is spotless, it is without a spot. So these clean new sheets are spotless. You're telling me something, so we're going to put a period. Let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go back and read it to make sure it makes sense. These clean new sheets are spotless. All right, very good job, boys and girls. Now, before we end, I want you to put a circle in this corner, and that way I know that you went all the way to the end of the video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.